Hello everyone, this is Stephanie Gagos and I'm back with another acrylic pouring video. In this one I am doing a painting with some leftover paint from a bigger painting I did, which was the last video. In this one I'm going to do a tree ring pour, and you'll be seeing me do that as well as touching it up at the end because I didn't like the brown ugly cells that you couldn't really see. So I added some copper to them. I'm sorry I've been MIA, but I was going through some personal difficulties and it's been difficult to get motivated and get back into the swing of things, but you know, it's understandable. I chose to break up with my boyfriend, and even though that has been really hard, it was a decision I feel confident in. And so I've kind of been like a little mopey, which is understandable. As I said, like, you know, you don't really feel like doing much in the beginning. You're missing the person and trying to work through the mixed bag of emotions. So that's where I'm at right now. I like to be really transparent about what's going on with me. And I hope to get back to some videos soon. I'm trying not to push myself to do anything until I really feel like I'm ready. So this is actually an older video that I had never published. So thanks for your support. I am going to do that giveaway. I promise. I have a giveaway that I'm going to do across my social media platforms, and I promise to make it worth your wait. I will be giving away not only an original painting, but a Amazon gift card. So stay tuned for that, and I hope to be back very soon. Love you guys. Bye.